Hello, this is my AMS, the inside of it. I got the new internal filament up, but the same problem is occurring as with the old one. Here's the old one. So there is nothing wrong with this one, so you think. The wheel is turning. What I did with this is disassemble, so you have to unscrew 6 screws. This you must take out, and you can pull the whole top or bottom can you pull off, and then you can clean it, because there was glue on the wires of for protection of pulling. I decided to pull these connectors out. So this is the motor wire, this is the Hall effect sensor wire, and this one that's for this. So motor, this is for this, and this is for this. I did put everything together inside the box and try to run the printer, but I get the same problem. I show you what I see. So now I turn on the printer. Bamboo logo. It has booted up. I have here a filament box. I will cut the last piece off, so it's a clean cut. Now I will put it in the second. This is first from the front, the second is this one. On every motor or hub, how do you call it, there's a white blinking LED. So they all work. So now I push the filament in, and it stops here. It's trying to push, but no, I can't go any further. Now it's turning this way. When I try to push filament in, then it's pulling the filament inside, so back. But yeah, it's going. So I push it out now, because he keeps on trying. Wait a minute. Yeah, he's trying. There's nothing to try. Okay, now it stops. Normally, when the filament goes through, then this piece should be in the internal filament hub. So it should be all the way through. But because I have now an end and I want to push it in, it hits one of the separation walls, so it cannot push back into the tube. maybe it's hitting the edge of the tube or something, but I cannot push it this way, and that's normal, I think. Also, I did check if the cables are not damaged. So there could be a broken wire somewhere in one of the cables, but I checked for continuity with a multimeter on every pin. So pin 1 to pin 1 of that side, but all wires are okay, no damage. So that shouldn't be a problem. So what I think is happening, when the filament passes the Hall effect sensor, it should give a signal to the board that the motor should be turned. So if there's something wrong with this port or something here, then maybe the signal is not given to turn the motor. But the motor is turning, so the motor connection part is working okay, but the signal from that board, or maybe that board, so there's also a wheel that registers something. There's something on this or that causes a problem. What I did wrong is these two wires, the motor and the Hall effect sensor, I did switch, not on purpose. So there, I didn't know that, because I had because here on this side there's glue on, and I didn't want to break the seal of the glue, so I disconnected this side, not this side, and that's where I made a mistake. But I think this is okay. This is the motor, Hall effect, and this is for the other connection. So that is what I did wrong. It's just that you know what I did. About my screen. So this is the new screen I received from Bamboo Lab. So I have here let me see if I can, 16 gigabyte card, which I will put in now. Okay, it clicks. Oh, then I go to this. As you can see, video is off. If it's on, you cannot format the card. Then data can be recovered, so yeah, you must format. And then it says no micro SD card detected. same problem. So I cannot export the data you want, the log files, and I cannot store time lapses. So you tell me what I must do next.